YouTube, it's Rob. I just wanted to make a quick video because I wanted to answer this guy's question. It's actually a good question. At first, I'm not sure exactly what angle is meant with this question, because at first I thought maybe he was saying like, hey, anything matches what I'm showing, you know. And but actually, if I think about it, this question is actually a lot deeper than that. And I don't know if he meant it to be, but what he asked, you know, I said reoccurring patterns 101, zebra stripes, honeycombs, snowdrifts, water drops on the pool of water, spiral galaxies, scales on a fish, desert sand dunes, leaves on a tree, flowers, spider webs, hurricanes, tornadoes, water spiraling down a drain, rainbows. Why should these be any different than yours? And you know what? The answer would be, actually, is they're not any different than what I'm showing. Because this is the deeper meaning of all this, is that everything is made by electromagnetism. And everything that he wrote down here is a creation of electromagnetism. And so is our planet and the reoccurring patterns on it. And just like the reoccurring patterns of the cells in your body, it's all electromagnetism. That's what it is. The universe, there's no dark energy, dark matter. That's just to be confusing. That's just stuff thrown in to make you think that other things are involved. But there's only one thing involved here, and it's electromagnetism, and it's responsible for your existence, your life, your afterlife. It's everything. The sun is electromagnetic. It's just the everything. And I would imagine that God is electromagnetism. And I think the whole thing is alive. I think that I think people are missing the point when they're looking for life on other planets and stuff like that, is that I think the whole system is alive and aware. And because when you think about it, everything's kind of made out of the same thing, basically. Atoms, I guess, if those are real. But when you think about it, the parts, if you break yourself down to the smallest particle, you got to wonder if that would be alive or dead. And what's the difference between that particle and the particle that's in the wall, you know? The order that it's put together. I mean, when does those particles become life? You know what I'm saying? Like, do they only become life if they're put together in the order that makes you? Or is this whole thing life? I mean, everything around you. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of trippy. Because when you think about it, how could dead particles be put together to create life if those particles aren't already alive? You know? So it kind of trips me out a little bit, because it kind of means that, like, the walls around you and the ground, they're aware of what you're doing. You just don't think so, because I don't know. It's kind of trippy though. But yeah, I think there's more going on around us than meets the eye. But I don't know how to answer this question, except for that he's right, and everything is reoccurring patterns. It is, when you think about it. So I don't even know if that answered his question. I hope it did. Thanks for watching.